Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a blue screen physical memory dump you might be having on your Windows computer. So this would be a specific fix for that kind of problem. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just by left clicking on it one time. And you want to type in msconfig. And best match that comes up should say system configuration right above desktop app. So you want to left click on that one time. Now you want to go underneath the startup tab, and you want to open in Task Manager on Windows 10, Windows 7, and Windows 8 users. There should be a list right here, which we're about to get to when we open up Task Manager on Windows 10. And it should resemble something that looks kind of like this. So any services or any programs that are not necessary to run when your computer boots up, so literally anything probably besides your antivirus, I recommend disabling them. So just select each one, select disable. And if you had any speakers or something like that, you could disable them as well. And if you had anything like internal speakers or any other startup programs, I'd recommend keeping those enabled. But any DVD players or printers, you don't really probably need them to boot up every time your computer starts up. And then once you've done that, you want to restart your computer. And if they didn't work, you could always re-enable them later. And I have made other tutorials for specific blue screen errors that I recommend looking up in addition to this if it did not work for you. But I noticed that a lot of times this actually can be a pretty viable solution. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.